Namaste, Vasha again. And today we are going to discuss about the clairs, the psychic abilities, intuitive gifts. So there are about 11 clairs in the Claire skill system or Claire skill set, I would put it that way. So the first one is very common. You must have heard when people say that, oh, she's a clairvoyant or I'm a clairvoyant. So the first clair is the clairvoyance, which is the ability to see, from your inner eye, mind's eye, or your third eye. Second is clairsentience, that is an intuitive knowing by feeling. It's like, you can feel the vibration of different people, objects, or places, situations, and sometimes you can feel the emotional or physical pain of others. So that is clairsentience. The third clear gift or ability is clairaudience. That is intuitive hearing, perceive words, it could be like sounds from spiritual realms or musical notes. So basically, the ability to hear sound, you know. And of course, it is not from the physical realm, it's from the spiritual realm. The fourth clear gift is clear cognizance, which is intuitive knowledge. Like somebody can just pick up pieces of information and suddenly they just know. There's this thought of knowing, oh, I knew it. I knew that this is going to happen. Like it is like things without a learning experience. There is no reason or explanation behind it, but you just know it. So that's clear cognizance. The next clear is clear alliance, which is like an intuitive smell, fragrances, odor. It's like not present in place where we physically are. It comes from the spiritual realm, and we don't use our nose. Yeah. So that's why it is a clear gift. Now, so the sixth clear is clear tangency. Sometimes it is known as psychometry. It's like intuitive knowing by touching, and you can just touch an object or a person, and you gain that knowledge from handling an object or handling that person, touching that person, that wow, there's some kind of download which happens, about that object, about that man or a woman you are touching. So that is clear tangency. Okay. Now, the seventh one is clear taction. Now, that is intuitive touch, the ability to know information about a spiritual being or entity and instantly knowing information about the spirit. So it's like touching people remotely, and it can also be called as long distance clear tangency. Okay, so that is clear taction. The next clear gift is clear gustance, which is the intuitive taste. Without hitting the taste buds, you have that taste in your mouth. Somebody is cooking something somewhere and you just have that taste in your mouth. It could be a porridge, it could be a sweet dish, it could be any dish. That is clear gustance. The next ninth one is clear empathy, where this is like intuitive feeling of emotion. You know people and their energies. You can read people, their emotions and their energies. You're like meeting someone for the first time and you just look at them and you have that strong feeling about them. Okay, like, oh, this person is sad. Okay, this person is thinking about something. Maybe he's undergoing some grieving moments. So that is clear empathy. So the 10th one is clear eloquence, that is intuitive communicating, ability to use exact right words, combination of words in order to create desired spiritual effect, like prayers. You have specific prayers to say the Akashic records, right? You have specific prayers to, I would say, soothe a person who's on his or her deathbed, right? So basically, it's like, you are saying a prayer to raise somebody's vibration to a particular consciousness. So that effect, that is clear eloquence. And the last clear gift is clear essence. This is like intuitive embodiment, and this is also known as clear of all clairs. Now, it could be known as clear of ascension, embracing origin of our true spiritual nature. It is like an ideal through which we want to attain in embodying our true self and essence. So that's clear essence. I hope this brief video helps you to understand which all these gifts you already have developed, or you are almost on the verge of developing these gifts. All my love to you. Namaste.